the mood for fried rice today, and I decided, you know what, I don't want to do it like I always do it, so I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to do kind of like a jambalaya style. I'm going to call this my Cajun fried rice. Trust me, you're going to love it. Let's get to cooking. First things first is our chicken. I've already got pre-diced chicken breast. I bought it just like this from the grocery store. Really saves me time when I want to incorporate some diced chicken in my fried rice. Just going to even this out here. And I'm going to use 2 different seasonings. I'm going to do chicken bouillon. Just going to sprinkle a little of that on top here. Do a generous amount. And then we're gonna do some of my favorite Cajun seasoning, this Tony seasoning here, or whatever Cajun seasonings you may have. A little bit of our oil here. I'm doing avocado oil. You could do regular olive oil. And a good toss. Let's talk about the veggies. Now, I've got a lot going on, but I bought them pre-diced here. I've got a diced yellow onion. You can do a Vidalia onion. I also have a tri-pepper mix, so essentially all 3 different colored peppers, red, green, and yellow peppers. Pre-diced celery because I'm busy here on the go. I am going to add half a stick of butter. Sometimes I use a whole stick. Don't judge me. I've got garlic. So I just got the jarlic today, but you can dice your own garlic, chop it however you want. This just really adds a really great flavor. And once these are about al dente, translucent, I'm gonna pull them off to the side here on low just to keep them warm. Those look good. Let's check on our chicken here. We'll toss. All right, a couple minutes on those and then we'll be back. Now it's time to add down our pre-cooked rice. I love getting these microwave bag rices. It really just cuts in the time of cooking. Now, I thought I was gonna need 1 large family size bag, but it turns out, well, I'm feeding more people today. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of that jasmine rice. You can do regular white rice as well. Once I get this down, I'm gonna chop it all up and add my seasonings. What you're gonna add to this is simply just a few ingredients. You're gonna do a little bit of that Tony's or your favorite Cajun seasoning, a little bit of chicken bouillon, then you're gonna do some Worcestershire. Tomato paste is very, very important. And then you're gonna incorporate all of that together. We're gonna add down this andouille sausage. It's already cooked, so really you're just getting it crispy. Now we're gonna add that frozen okra. Just get a bag of frozen okra. This is the way to go, and it adds so much flavor to this fried rice mixture. We're gonna mix it all up, add your chicken and your okra, your veggies, your rice, all that good stuff. Just toss it up, flatten it back out, add a little bit of this green onion. You want it right towards the end, want that pop of flavor, and then we're gonna plate. I'm just serving it up in a big old platter. Add a little bit more of those green onions on top, and y'all, this looks absolutely beautiful. This is Showcase, my Cajun fried rice. Oh, so good. All right, let's dig in here. I'm getting a little bit of everything. The chicken, the andouille sausage, the okra, all the veggies. My mouth is watering, here we go. Yes, it's got all of the Cajun flavors typically that you would have in a jambalaya. It's just fried rice style. It's definitely my top 10 favorite recipes on the Blackstone. I am saying it right now. At the end of the day though, you gotta keep it quick, you gotta keep it simple, and most importantly, you gotta keep it delicious. My name's Taylor Mock, and I will see you on the next episode. Cheers.